on, but that's the thing about endings. They come at the end.
Can we watch it again?
Remember, we just saw it. Maybe tomorrow.
Hey, what are you guys doing? You didn't tell me you were watching the movie. I want to watch too.
We just finished. Show's over.
Well, you're just gonna have to rewind it.
Ma!
Uncle Max, we're gonna watch the movie.
Oh, no. Hey, I brought extra butter.
Hey, you guys are watching the movie?
Any story worth telling is worth telling twice.
What the?
Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Get out of the way.
Who is this crowd? Hey, down in front.
Gorge.
Watch it. Oh. Ow. Okay, buddy, you win.
Sure you don't mind?
Hakuna Matata.
Timon, I still don't do so well in crowds.